Do you have pain but are afraid to see a chiropractor because you're afraid of being cracked or having your neck twisted? There is an alternative, and it is safe, highly researched, and more importantly, comfortable. Allow me to show you how enjoyable the Acitvator Method's chiropractic technique can be. My full-service chiropractic clinic offers activator adjusting, state-of-the-art therapy, rehabilitation, and weight loss services. Call Back in Motion Chiropractic to schedule your consultation today.
Dr. Moreland got me back in motion.